a different route today. We're going to try Birkinshaw from home, so it's a bit of a hill, different hill to try, see what happens. A bit longer, I think, than I've actually got steeper in bits, well, more steeper bits. There are a couple of steep bits on the other one, but this one we'll see. Yeah, here we go. Starting on the greenway, so chance to warm up before we hit the road and hit the hills. But we'll see. Starting to rain as well. Happy days. First bit of the hill, a little bit steep but not too long, so we'll use some power and see what happens. So we're in gear 7, no power at the moment, but let's go down a couple of gears. Let's go over number 3, see what happens there. Gear 3 now, but we're in power 5, which is the highest power setting. But doing okay. I've not done a hill for a few weeks to be fair. After the lights we've got a okay bit for a few hundred yards, then we go up again. Quite a long drag, I think. Come on, Kagi. See what we'll do. Get out of his way. Nobody on the path, so we'll do it. Go back on in a second here. Come down the power now, see the battery. I'm going to come out here, I think. We're off the fast road with some heavy traffic, as in big traffic, so we'll see how the nerves hold up there. path's quiet, that might be an option. Especially if we're climbing and a bit wobbly. So far no power, highest gear, so we'll see. Safety's safe, let's get an hour. Okay, we're in full power 5, but gear number 5 as well, so plenty to go if we need it. In fact, we'll come down the power, we'll go 4, 3 perhaps, and down the gear as well, see if that helps. You just go a bit faster with a bit more power on that, so but I've slowed down quite a bit now. It's easier to work a bit harder and have a higher power setting because you move quicker. The small wheels don't help with that, of course. But, you know, that gives a convenience, of course. Across the motorway, we're in the 30-mile-an-hour zone now, so we should feel a bit safer. Not been too busy. The vast majority of motorists, of which I am one, hopefully, are good. Well, that says go on the path, but it's a bit narrow and full of trees, so it's quiet, so I'll stick as I am. Top, so that's pretty good for the first go at that hill. Not as steep as I thought, really. It's one of those that looks worse in the car. So we're up pretty much, still got a bit of incline before we've got a nice downhill finish. Not too bad here at the roundabout. But I generally do use the power on the flat at things like places like this because it's, I think quicker is safer, isn't it, surely? So full power on to get across there. Does look like there is a cycle direction actually, so probably missed that. There we go. Down 0 mile an hour. I'm actually going to go right here, so this chap behind is patient with us. There we go. just in case. There we go, job done.